On today's episode of How to Change the Thermal Paste in a Laptop, step 1, unscrew the screws on the bottom. Yeah. You got the back panel off, unscrew the fans and try to pull them off.
Yeah, remove the battery first.
You can removing the battery is optional.
If somebody dies, that's on you.
I mean, if you're the one doing the maintenance and you die because you didn't remove the battery, that's pretty okay actually.
Which screw did I not? Oh, that's all of them? Yeah, that's all of them.
I think you missed a cable.
Oh, it's just stuck there.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, that looks pretty dried up, isn't it?
You know what it looks like to me? It looks like you're trying to destroy your CPU and your GPU. Like you're just trying to corrode them or something.
No, they'll come off with some alcohol wipes.
So I'm concerned by the fact that the bottom of your copper heat sinks are just tarnished.
Well, yeah, okay.
You might want to polish that a bit. I'm not sure how much it will help.
How do you polish copper then?
I don't know, man. Just get something that's abrasive and just kind of remove the thin layer. That's how I would do it.
Sandpaper.
Sandpaper. Well, that is some good autofocus right there. Fuck me.
I once filmed into this, and then there's reflection, and then the camera focused on the reflection.
Oh yeah, look, I can do that right now. There we go. So are you replacing the thermal pads as well?
Yes. Well, they're a bit, they're like sticky now. They're not good.
Okay.
There's aluminium much more readily than copper. I didn't expect it to amalgamate with.
So basically, guys, when you're replacing the thermal paste, don't use liquid metal because it will amalgamate with your copper heatsink and leave it looking grey. To be honest, I think the conductivity is not too impaired, so it should be fine. But you cannot scrape it off. But this man is gonna try. He's going for it. He's going for gold. He's gonna try and scrape it off, even if it's quite literally impossible because it has amalgamated. And once you've removed the fan and there's lots of dust on the heatsink,
You can blow the dust into somebody else's.
do not blow it into my fucking dinner, man. You can go and get some compressed gas and release that pressure through the heatsink. And
that's not going. I'm using my hand.
You can just use your hand as well. That works to remove the dust. The gamer gunk, as it were, that collects inside your gaming laptop. It's the price we have to pay to play Dota.
Shut the fuck up.
So yeah, once you've taken off the heatsink, you want to replace the thermal pads. So here's my guy. He's just he's got his thermal conductive pads, and he's cutting them to size, and he's going to stick them on top of these miscellaneous components on the motherboard that I don't really know the origin of. But I'm pretty sure this bit has something to do with power delivery control. And
oh fuck! This is too short.
These big black squares are the dedicated RAM, and then this is the GPU die, and this is the CPU die, and that's a lot of dedicated RAM, my guy. Hell yeah! And there's some more power delivery stuff that I don't really understand because I'm not doing electrical engineering. It's very sad. Time to apply the thermal paste. So here is the CPU. Let's put on a little pea-sized bit. I mean, to be honest, a pea might be a bit big, but you get the idea.
That's too much, isn't it?
That's fine. That will spread out. To be honest, I don't know. I don't even know if it's too little. It might be, but we'll see. If it doesn't go out all around the edges, then we'll know. That should be good. I'd blob a little bit more towards the top end, just so that it definitely
Yeah.
that should be perfect. Right, there we go. Right, here we got our thermal compound ready to be squished.
Oh, now I have to unpeel all this.
Why? Oh, there's plastic on top of all of the thermal pads.
So annoying. So...
Every single one of the thermal pads had plastic on the top and bottom.
Yep.
Which means it's going to be an eternity before we... yeah, okay. Okay, right, so, mate, aluminium's cheaper than steel. Anyway, so, now that we've got the, conductive paste on the CPU and GPU dies, we're going to put the cooler back on. Hell yeah. Just, place that shit right on top there, my guy. We got our expert in the house doing it today. I'm just filming. This is sad.
Oops.
Are you screwing it all the way in?
Yeah.
Wait, you're supposed to do a zigzag. Okay. You do it your way. You've put on the heatsink, just screw the back on and you're done.
Yes, you're done.
And then the final step is to turn it over and press the power button and make sure that it turns on and that you haven't ruined your laptop.
No, you have to plug it into power first, otherwise it's not going to turn on because you'd remove the battery.
Oh wait, is that a thing?
Yes.
Oh, okay, cool. Let's see this power on, my guy.
Yeah. Eating goes along here. I microwave this.
It appears to be working.
Why does this not work? Whatever. That works. Ta-da!
And we have logged into the Chinese mainframe. Hell yeah.